All right, hey Bailey, this is Brandon. We spoke earlier today, and I wanted to go ahead and send this video over to you like I promised. So I don't want to, take too much of your time, so this will be short. But in this video, I'm just going to basically talk about three techniques and three ways that you guys can help improve the presence of your website and things that you're doing online that will attract more traffic to you. And what I'm going to do is just compare your top company here. So when I type in HVAC company Colorado Springs, and the reason I did that is because, as you can see, your tab right here, it seems like that's the keyword that you guys are targeting most. When I type that in, you guys aren't on this front page. So what I'm going to do is show you what the top organic search is doing. So I'm not going to use Angie's List just because that's a different conversation, but I'm going to use Springs Heating and Cooling in Colorado Springs, and I'm going to pull up their site and kind of show you what they're doing that's allowing them to beat their competitors. So let's get into it. So your site looks great. I like the way it looks. It looks like you've got obviously four different locations, but 3 in Colorado. And whoever built this did a pretty good job. But the question is, how much traffic is it generating for you guys and getting you clients? So the first thing I want to talk to you about is content. Now, the number one thing that Google cares about is content and what's in the content when it comes to ranking a website. So they have crawlers, they have bots that crawl Google constantly 24/7, and they are trying to figure out which websites basically to rank. And how that works is one of the first things they're looking for is that the homepage has at least 1,500 words of content on it. And so I copied and pasted your homepage and put it in this word counter. And you guys have about 637 words on your homepage. So that would be a great place to start, is to get that up to at least 1,500. Now, it's obviously more important. The content itself is more important than the number of words. So what we want to do is place buyer intent keywords throughout the entire site. So these are keywords just like HVAC company Colorado Springs. That would be a buyer intent keyword phrase. Or AC repair Colorado Springs, or Colorado Springs AC repair. Words that people commonly type into Google when they're searching for your services and the service locations that you guys are servicing. So what I've done is I've pulled up your website here, and this is a tool called Ahrefs, and this allows us to check, the analytics and data behind your site. So you guys currently have 346 keywords, and it's helping generate about 150 people to your site per month organically. So 346 keywords. I'm going to compare that to this company, which is Springs Heating and Cooling. They've got 300 keywords. So you guys have more keywords and you have 150 organic traffic. They have less keywords, but they have 1,000 organic traffic. So there's something that they're doing there that's helping them more so than you. Okay, so I want to talk to you about that. So we can look at their keywords, pretty much what they've done all the hard work for you. So they're ranking number 1 right here for Colorado Springs Heating and Cooling. And it gets 350 searches per month. So they're doing a good job at AC Repair Colorado Springs. So they have all these buyer intent keywords and they're ranking highly for them. So you can go through, figure out which ones they're ranking the highest for, throw those into your website, and that will allow, that'll help with your keywords and ranking those. Okay. So the next thing I want to talk to you guys about are backlinks. So a backlink is anywhere that another company basically shouts you out. So, or not necessarily another company, but a website or a blog or a guest post that links to you, that drives traffic to you. That's considered a backlink. But not all backlinks are created equally, just like not all keywords are created equally. Keywords need to have buyer intent behind them, and backlinks need to be quality, trustworthy, relevant backlinks. Quality is much more important than quantity. So you guys have 732 backlinks coming from 92 different website domains. This company has 190 backlinks coming from 36 domains. So as you can see, they have less backlinks, less domains, and less keywords than you, but they have 1,000 people a month visiting their site organically versus your guys' 150 a month. So that tells me that your guys' keywords probably aren't as good as theirs, and your backlinks are not as quality as theirs. So you can go check out what backlinks they have and figure out which ones they are and which ones are quality. And then you can, use the same links and more. You want to beat them out in the backlinks as well. Okay, so that's kind of an idea of what's kind of going on there. And then one more thing I want to talk to you about is how do we get into this map pack? So you want to figure out, you want to, again, just figure out what your top competitor is doing and then beat them at what they're doing. So the most important thing here is the number of citations that they have. So you want to beat out the number of citations they have. So a citation is anywhere you can put your business name, phone number, and address into a directory. That is a citation. So if they have 200 citations, we want to get you guys at least 300 citations so that you dominate them there as well. And there's a few other ways you can optimize the Google My Business profile right there that are very simple. The citations are also simple. It's just obviously time consuming and figuring out the right ones to do. But anyways, guys, that is all I have for you. As a quick recap, you want to focus on increasing your content and getting buyer intent keywords throughout your website that have buyer intent. They can't be national keywords, because somebody could type in air conditioning unit or how do I do this, anywhere. You want to make sure that they have buyer intent behind them with your specific services and your specific cities you're targeting. And then get your front page up to 1,500 words. And then you want to make sure you have more quality backlinks than your top competitors. And you want to make sure you have more quality citations than your top competitors in the map pack. Okay, so with that, I appreciate you guys being generous with your time and watching this video. I hope that it was valuable and that you got some good information from it. If you have any feedback or thoughts on this, I would love to chat with you guys about it. Thank you so much for your time, and appreciate you. Bye-bye.